What did I say?
Fuck if I know.
Babe. I said try to lay comfortably on your side so that you're not snoring. Babe. What did I say?
Lay comfortably on her side, and then sit there until the fire truck because she can rescue you.
Alright then. Since that's just all gibberish, can you please lay on your side comfortably? Babe. Can you please lay on your side comfortably? I'm sorry, could you say that again? Babe.
What?
Could you lay on your side comfortably? Please? Sweetheart.
What?
Please turn on your side comfortably.
Why are you videoing me?
Because you're funny right now. But I would really like for you to lay on your side. You're saying silly stuff, babe.
Delete.
Okay. Will you lay on your side comfortably, please?